Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check your Windows version and that you have administrator rights, because installing drivers requires elevation. Once done, plug the Bluetooth adapter or USB dongle into a powered port. This ensures hardware is detectable. Now open Device Manager, right-click Start and choose Device Manager, and watch for any yellow warning icons or an unknown device entry. This first step finds where Windows thinks the hardware should be, which guides the next actions. Once Device Manager is open, reveal hidden devices from the View menu. You might see Bluetooth entries hidden when drivers are missing. Next, select Action and choose Scan for hardware changes. If nothing appears, use Add Legacy Hardware to force detection. Then right-click any unknown device or Bluetooth adapter placeholder and choose Update Driver. Pick Browse My Computer or Search automatically. You do this because Windows sometimes needs a nudge to bind the correct driver to the adapter. To finalize, ensure Bluetooth support service is set to automatic and running, then restart the PC so drivers initialize correctly. If Device Manager still lacks Bluetooth, uninstall the adapter entry, reinstall the driver, and try a different USB port or a known working dongle. This isolates hardware faults. If that fails, check BIOS/UEFI settings for integrated wireless and apply pending Windows updates. These steps resolve most issues. Troubleshooting tip: if not
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.